Okay, this is the Ryobi staple crown nailer, as you can see right there. Compatible with 18 gauge narrow crown stapler, and you can see that's what they recommend to use. That's the length, and it should be one port and 18 gauge. So you can see this should be the staple you need to use. It's 18 gauge 1/4 staple crown, and you can use 3/8 up to 1 1/2. But a lot of people don't know, if you want to buy a 18 gauge brad nailer, you don't need to buy that. Just buy this one, because you can see this is a 18 gauge brad nailer, and I have it here too. And as long as you use a 3/8 and a 1 1/2 inch long, and you can use it. And you're gonna say, well, how? Okay, this I'm gonna show you. As you can see right there, let me zoom. Let me see. Oh, I won't do it. Okay, you can see when you put the staple here, it should be like this. You can see that, right? So the two metal should be on the side, right? But if you're gonna use a brad nailer, this one, brad nailer, I don't know what you call this, nail, brad nailer nail, you can see here, right there, all you have to do is put it on the one side. See, don't put it in the middle, because you won't close this, because this is the only one that's moving. You know, those two green metal are the only ones you can depress it, but the middle part, it doesn't depress. So how do you know how long can you use? And you just need to put it there like that. As you can see, they're all at the same height. It means this is a 1 1/2 brad nailer. It should be 18 gauge, don't forget. As you can see right there, I'll put one and I'll close it. And is it close? Okay. Oh wait, should lock. Wait, hold on. Okay, should lock. It should lock. It's very hard to do it in the hand. Let me lock it. Hold on. Okay, now I locked it. As you can see here, it's on the side right there. You can see it's on the side, and right here on the other side, I don't know if you can see it on the other side. You don't see anything. Okay, right there. I said, it's not gonna work, man. You dumb. It's not gonna work. Don't worry. I've been using this for a long time. Let me show you. So if you're planning to buy a 18 gauge brad nailer, don't do it. Just buy this one, and it works. But the problem is it can only go up to 1 1/2. But the 18 gauge brad nailer, I have that too before. It goes up to 3 inches, I think. So I'll show you right here. Okay, see? I don't know if you see it. Wait, I don't want to scratch my Ryobi. Wait, let me do it somewhere else. Oh, probably right here. See? You can see it's right there. See, it's right there. Okay, I'll do it on the bottom because it's on the side. See, it's right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. Right there, one and then two right there. I'll put another one here. Let me adjust the depth so it doesn't stick all the way. Oh crap, hold on guys. I don't know, I can't adjust it, but you know what I mean. It's right there. Okay, hold on, I'll do it again on this side. You see it? Now there's three. 1, 2, and 3. So it works.